Hello, today you're looking at a Highlight Industries Synergy 2 semi-automatic stretch wrapper brought to you by Lanco. Unit has a cycle counter, wrap counter, PLC controls. We'll take a look at all these in a second. Does have a load ramp that is not pictured here, but you can drive up on it, put your skid on there on the turntable. Take a look at the inside here. Very nice working condition. There's the PLC control there. Very nice. And here we go. Cycle counter, wrap counters. You hit those orange buttons to increase the wrap counters. Right now we have it so it has one turn and then it will stop. Emergency stop, variable speed on the carriage there. Green is start to start the whole process, etc., etc., etc. It is wired for 110 volt. And we'll now turn it on so you can see and hear it go. It'll raise up until the eye realizes there's nowhere else to go height-wise, and then that'll stop. Told you, and now it'll go down. Very nice conditioned unit. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.